This point of view is rarely observed. From this angle, the elastic collision becomes clearer, but the pendulum action becomes obscure. According to AI, linear momentum is conserved by the pendulum motion. It's a combination and exchange of gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy. This change of perspective provides a deeper explanation. Using a constant gravitational force enables us to conserve the energy. That results in the conservation of momentum. AI claims that by Active Kinetic 1 utilizing this methodology within its technology, it could be a game changer for energy security, revolutionizing clean energy and global energy supplies. To support a clean energy future, please share, like, and comment this video.
Energy is everywhere.